So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and win more bank heists in Monopoly Go? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So winning a bank heist in Monopoly Go heavily depends on timing and strategy rather than the order you tap the tiles, as the results are widely considered to be predetermined by the game's algorithm. The most effective strategy is to maximize the cash you get when a successful heist does occur. So, the best time to land on a real board, which triggers a bank heist or shutdown, is during an active mega heist or golden peg event. These events significantly boost the potential cash reward, sometimes by as much as 20 times. And when you have a mega heist boost active, use a high dice multiplier like 20 or more to maximize your cash gain. The higher the multiplier, the greater the potential payout. To avoid losing large amounts of cash to other players' heists, spend your money immediately on buildings, properties, ideally during a builder's bash or landmark rush events. This ensures that the cash is converted into permanent progress rather than sitting in your bank, making you a less profitable target for others. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it does, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.